beautiful people. It's the last day of Inca for the month of June. And I must first off, start by specially thanking and appreciating you, my beautiful and awesome viewer, for keeping it locked here with us. We started this at the beginning of the month of June, and here we are wrapping it up. And to also all the special guests that have graced the Inca Lounge, the Inca Couch, I want to say a very big thank you for always coming through for us, for the support, the love, everything. Best believe that we do not take them for granted. And because of this, I want to remind you tonight that you all are the real MVPs and you really, really, really rock. Now, to wrap up this Inca, this month's edition, I am going to be joined tonight by two industrious persons from Enugu. It's going to be a girl and a boy. My name is Rochelle, and once again, I say a very big welcome to Inca, the very last one for the month of June. Then tomorrow, we are going to be having ourselves the Inca Lounge. But till then, let's enjoy this last one of Inca for the month of June. We're going to go on a short break. When we come back, I'm going to be introducing my guest, and then we would get the phone started right here. Stay tuned. Welcome back. It's still the last edition of Inca for the month of June 2024. Good to know that you are still there with us. Now, the studio is beginning to look like we are here for a fashion show because I wasn't properly informed. My guests tonight, the two of them, I don't know if they had any behind the scene plan, to look way better than I do. I love it when you come here looking beautiful, but there's a level it would get to. I begin to get jealous because how am I looking like a maid here? But it's all good, no problem. I'm going to manage. There is nothing that I've not seen on Inca. So tonight's own is going to be nothing for me. So like I said before, that I am going to be joined by two industrious persons from Enugu. It's a boy and a girl. Now, the first person that I would be introducing to you, let me start with a female because it's always ladies first. And because I go for women, like I'm a big fan of women supporting women, I have to start with her first. She is a beautiful girl. She's a dancer. She's gorgeous. And she's even looking gorgeous tonight. If you see her, you won't know that this person, with all her beauty, she takes out time to go into the kitchen and make abacha of all meal. I'm not even talking about, intercontinental dishes, but the local delicacy, abacha. Joining us tonight is Owadiegu Juliet Ginika. She is the face, the person behind Abacha Best 042. Hi, Ginika.
Hello, good evening.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You look like an Egyptian princess.
I'm shy.
You're shy. You better not be. How many persons stopped you on the road, your way to this place?
I wasn't counting.
Oh, you were not. That means he choke. Like he played Tiganga, right? So, what inspired this look with your arm bead? I don't know, the bracelet. Yeah. What inspired this particular look tonight?
Well, I do African dish,
okay,
abacha, to be precise. You understand? So I wanted to look very beautiful in my own attire. So to add it up, I added this. I don't know.
You just combined everything.
Yes.
Anyways, it came out looking very good. I love it.
Thank you.
And please, like I said before, let me say it again. You see the skirt you're putting on? You're sure not going back with it.
Please.
I'm taking it. Thank God we are same size. Even if you're not the same size, don't worry. I have this dua tailor. He has a way. He's going to do something about it.
So much.
And also thank you, for correcting that impression, because anytime people hear, oh, this person makes abacha and sells abacha, the first mental image that comes to mind is maybe one woman or even a young girl, tying wrapper with your hair unkept, looking very dirty and all of that.
Yes.
But I can see you're doing a good job in changing the narrative.
Thank you.
And please do come with abacha.
No,
You
I'm
did not.
sorry.
You're going to leave here.
I'll deliver one for you.
You deliver one for me.
Yes.
I hope you guys heard what she said. So abacha best 042 is owing me 1 plate of delicious abacha.
Premium package.
And I love abacha so well. So make sure you keep to your word. If not,
I will.
We'll meet on social media.
I will.
Okay, so we have a handsome guy in the studio. Now, this person, he's everywhere on TikTok. You know, tormenting girls. You see him. He will make video and be licking his lips. I've been licking his lips. I've been doing so many crazy things. Okay, I have a TikToker and a content creator with me here, Abazu Daniel. Daniel?
Hi.
Daniel.
Yes.
Why? What is it?
Okay.
Did they swear for you?
No.
No, it didn't end in you looking handsome and good online. You had to bring it to real life.
Yes.
Yes, you're saying yes with your features. Man, you look super good.
Thank you so much.
Like,
Thank
I
you.
love this.
Thank you.
White, the coral bead, and then the cap. What does that thing signify?
King.
Oh, you're a king. Are you a king?
Yeah.
A king of
In my
which kingdom?
kingdom.
In your
My
kingdom.
kingdom.
In your kingdom.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Where is the kingdom located?
Worldwide.
What? You know, when I heard that surname Abazu, I don't know if anybody has ever told you this, but Abazu, do you know that song? I think it was Princess Njideka that sang it. Abazu wangene, kuro wangene.
Okay,
I don't know, has
yeah,
someone
yeah,
ever
yeah,
said
yeah,
that
yeah.
about your surname?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a pleasure to have you here on Enka tonight.
you so much.
And same thing with Ginika. Thank you too for coming here. Have you guys met each other before?
No.
Okay, so first time.
Yeah.
All right, so should we do a sister and brother handshake? Okay, so you are welcome in the name
You're
of the
welcome.
Lord.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So, Ginika, what do you think about this fit?
He look good.
He
I've
looks
seen
good.
him.
You've seen him? Okay.
I've seen him before.
Take
He's all
it
over TikTok.
easy. Oh, it's all about TikTok.
Yes.
You see, you see. So, do you like Avatar?
Why?
You do.
Well, very well.
Okay, so you actually owe two of us
Yes.
Avatar.
Our order.
You order as well.
Thank you.
Okay.
Stop.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Daniel, you know, let me start tonight's conversation with you. Initially, when TikTok came on board, I was among the persons that sometimes I just have to confess. Yeah, let me make this confession here. You know, I was among the persons that look down on TikTok. I'll be like, all of you, you people don't have a life. I swear to God, because tell me how you have a life, you have something doing. I'll now see you under the tree, you'll be doing choo, cha, cha. You get that kind of a thing. Yeah. So how are you able to make a living out of a platform that people like me, but not right now, I don't have a different mindset about TikTok.
Yeah.
You know, people looked at a joke. Are you able to make a living out of it?
You know, it's not easy. Even those that starting now, sometimes, you know, at some point they give up. Yeah, it's not easy. So at least with the courage, and I have been doing it for more than 2 years now. So it's not easy.
More than 2 years. I think TikTok app came up during the COVID era.
When I started my own.
Okay.
Just I think 2021, yeah. Yeah, so it's not easy.
So how long did it get you to blow up and become a popular face on TikTok?
It didn't take me much. I think in 6 months or so.
In 6 months' time, you were able to get yourself like everywhere.
I'm up there.
I see.
So people start liking my videos and all that. Start going viral. So that's how I build myself. And I think myself somewhere there, you know, I'm getting, you know what I'm saying?
So looking at the journey when you started and the journey right now, how do you feel about ever venturing into TikTok and then content creation as in general?
Yeah, I feel great. I feel good because I wasn't expecting it. I was just doing videos, you know, normal videos, catching, you know, having fun. I didn't really know that I would come this far. Honestly, even till now, I'm still surprised.
Okay.
Now, if not for sister, I would not be here.
I get that.
I'm grateful.
You're
I'm
grateful.
grateful, yeah.
So now you now make billions dollars.
No, don't go that side. Don't go that side.
Calm down. You think I don't know? You think I don't know you? I know you very well. I know. Yeah, this one is camouflage. You just want to lie so that they'll not go and wait for you when you finish. There might be nobody who wait for you.
TikTok doesn't pay.
I know it doesn't pay, but there are several ways to make money off it.
Exactly.
You're going to be sharing those secrets here on the show because there is someone that's about to become a Jagaban ban on TikTok.
Yes. I can't wait.
And that's me. Okay. Ginika, are you on TikTok?
Yes.
Okay, very active or just a passerby?
Very active. I post my business there.
Oh, you post your business
Yes.
there. Wow. Okay. So as someone that makes abacha, you know abacha is 042 food now. It's
yes.
undebatable. Now we get them. So are you from Enugu here?
Yes, I'm from Kano.
Adan Kano. Wow. So when did you learn how to make abacha? You know, not just making it. Because someone like me, I do not like making abacha.
Okay.
Simply because I don't like how mine comes out. So I like it. Even if you teach me from now to tomorrow,
you won't still learn.
I don't know. Maybe because I don't, I have this problem of enjoying my own meal.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think that's actually a big factor, a big problem for me. So how did you learn how to make abacha very well?
My mom makes abacha. Like,
okay.
Since I was 12, started making abacha since I was 12. But how I came up with my online business and all of that was 2020, during that COVID period. Everyone was at home. I was doing clothing business online. That one wasn't going because everyone was at home now.
Yeah.
So I now said to myself one day, why not start posting this abacha online? People might want to order. Do you get?
Okay.
So one day I posted it. Like few persons ordered. How much is it? Can you be able to deliver? And then there were no bites.
Okay.
I had to dish the order, carry those stuff to as an enter keke to deliver them myself.
Okay.
You understand? So I started from there. From there, before you know it, everybody started buying. Started making sales. Like
wow.
Now I get like 80 to 100 orders online every day.
Wait, come again. You get 80 to 100 orders online every day.
Not like working people, because I have spots.
Yeah. Okay.
You can come eat and enjoy and drink.
Oh, where's that spot in Enugu
Maryland.
here? Maryland.
Yes.
And then online you have 80, about 100 orders every day.
Yes, depending.
I'm just trying to calculate how much you make in a week because I don't know what I'm doing here.
Making abacha has always been my thing, like right from my childhood.
Does abacha has any nutritional value?
Yes, now.
Like
from the okpaka to the vegetable to the it does now. Very nutritious.
Okay,
yes.
I see. You're trying to sell your market. You said something about you delivering this abacha when you earlier started,
yes.
And I know before we had the door-to-door delivery guys, saturated everywhere.
Yes.
We had people, especially the female folks, coming out to share their ugly experience with trying to deliver food to customers. Was it an easy one for you that time when you started, delivering this abacha to strangers, people you don't know, but your customers?
It wasn't really easy.
Okay. Were there security threats?
No, not even that. Not even that way. It wasn't easy. Someone will order and be rushing you. Like, where are you? Are you not bringing it? This one, that one. And Jesus Christ, it wasn't easy. But now it's easier because I have bikes.
Okay.
I have riders to help out.
Wow.
Yeah.
So from what you've said now, food business is a lucrative one.
Yes.
In this Enugu.
If you know what you're doing.
Oh, if you know what you're doing.
Yes.
Then if you don't know what you're doing, what will happen?
I don't know.
Okay. Wow, that's an amazing one. Daniel Abazu Wangene. Sorry. Abazu Wangene. I'll have to be adding Abazu Wangene. You will not tell me how to pronounce your name. This is Nka. Once you leave Nka, then you can come through with the correction. Okay. But don't mind me. I'm just doing this, on the light side for us to just have fun. So you're very active on TikTok. Do you have other platforms where you cash out from? I know you're on Facebook. Yeah.
Okay, Facebook and Instagram.
Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay, is your Facebook also monetized as well?
No.
Why? With that number, the followers, the activity.
The one is my profile.
Okay.
I turn it to profile page.
Okay.
So the real page is not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
But you're there.
Yeah.
You're almost there.
I'm there.
Okay.
I'm not cashing things. I know where I go.
Don't worry. I know. We'll have that conversation after the show. So you always come up with different kind of contents, especially the ones where you go and be licking your lips for us. I don't catch you today. So how do you come up with those, very interactive and engaging contents?
TikTok is all about, you don't have to stay one place. You have to do so many things, put your hand in so many places. to be able to stay.
Put your hand in so many places.
Like, so like when I started TikTok, when I had, I think January 2021, I had 1K followers. So I was just doing 2 eye stuff. I'll be like, I have 2 eyes and I can eat raw rabbit. It's veg. So people will be like, who is this guy? Who is this guy? You know, those stuff I bring more audience, more traffic, you know, stuff. So that's my first content on TikTok. The second one is transition.
Okay.
I'm doing very, very well.
So you can do transition very well.
Yes. So
did you learn it from someone or
No.
self-taught?
Myself.
Wow.
Yeah. So the third one is Nollywood acting, like those Nollywood, those sound. Yes, I do those ones. The fourth one is just fine boy videos. You know what I'm saying? So those fine boy videos mostly is the crying videos, those emotional crying videos. Those ones.
Isn't it? That's why I say TikTok is not a real place. Because the kind of lies you people tell there. You know, anytime I see something that emanates from TikTok, I just be like, this one was serious. It's a very big lie. But very few.
Yeah.
Like out of 10, 0.0. Girika, I don't know. Am I saying the truth or no?
Yeah.
I am, right? You see, like people know how to lie very, very well on that
My
app.
own is serious.
Okay, I see. So now that you have TikTok, right? So how do you make money off it? I know TikTok doesn't pay people, but there are some persons. I think there are some persons that TikTok pays. Maybe people not based there in Nigeria.
No, anyone that has TikTok and Nigerian TikTok accounts doesn't get paid.
Okay.
Because we don't have that option for monetization.
Okay.
So some persons create UK accounts, which is nothing. It's stress.
How is it stress?
Because if you give someone out there to post video for you and you have 2 accounts already, Nigerian account is active, UK account is active, and most times their TikTok monetization money is not that.
It's not that big.
You know, it's not like Facebook or YouTube or
Okay.
So it's nothing. But how I, myself on TikTok, get my stuff.
Yeah, making money off the platform.
Live streams. If I go live streams, I will get small, not big.
That's when people give to those roses.
Live gifts on TikTok. Or if any of well-known artists or upcoming artists reach out to us for music promotion.
Okay.
One video, 20-second video, one video is just 200K, 250K. But it doesn't
come again.
It doesn't come all the time.
It doesn't come down. You don't need to add that part of it doesn't come all the time.
It comes rarely.
No, just you forget about that part. You see that part? I have no business with it. So you said a 20 minutes video.
20 seconds.
20 seconds is what? 250,000.
Some persons collect 1 million, 700K.
20 seconds.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you serious? So how much do you charge? How much do you charge for your 20 seconds? Tell me now. You said what?
Small.
How much?
It depends.
You never can tell. Maybe your client is listening. Yeah, so.
I don't charge much. Just 200K.
200K per 20 seconds. Wow. That's good. So if you're not to come up with a minute video.
The more the followers is going up, engagement, the more the price is going up.
Oh, the more the price is going up. Wow.
Before I collect 30,000, 50,000.
But now, you're now Abazu Daniel. And I'm king of your kingdom. Okay, so what's the most amazing parts of content creation for you?
Like when creating content, there was a time I was in Lagos. I was doing this transition from 9 p.m. in the night till 6 o'clock a.m. in the morning. I couldn't achieve anything. That day I was just crying. You see, the passion, the love I have for it. So it never dies. I love doing it. Yeah, so I love doing it. So, it gives joy. And I love doing it. Yeah.
Okay, the last question I'm going to be asking you. I think very recently, right? There's this particular blogger. I can't remember her name right now, but for a while now, she's been up and about with some kind of views about influencers, especially the content creators turning to influencers. And, she has been saying a lot about the uncultured attitude to work and, how some of these content creators and influencers behave. And she also said something about the influencing job phasing out very soon, because it has gotten to a point that some brands cannot even afford what you people charge. And even if they can afford it, a good number of some of these influencers, they either buy likes, they buy followers. So it's not something that is sustainable. So what do you think about this influencing part phasing out very soon because of this unchecked behavior?
No matter what, people will still be bringing jobs for influencers or content creators on TikTok. But I don't buy the idea of, or I don't support that part. People buying fake views or likes or comments just to promote their stuff. I don't think it's real on TikTok because TikTok has this, the TikTok robot is active.
Okay.
And whenever you do something crazy, they will ban their account or remove that video immediately.
Yeah, I can remember the boy
Yes.
that's buried himself for 24 hours.
Exactly. So anything,
Yeah.
anything like that on TikTok is not acceptable.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well.
TikTok delete the video, even ban the account immediately.
Okay. So, Ginika, before you ventured into making of Abacha Best 042, we had other people in that industry. Like we had other vendors making Abacha. How were you able to stand out? To make a name for yourself and your brand.
I don't know. I think it's grace.
Grace,
Yeah.
just grace.
Yeah.
Nothing like your type of branding. The way you packaged it.
Maybe the
your
way my
taste.
abacha tastes.
Okay.
You
And then your
understand?
customer relationship as well.
I read probably.
Oh, okay, I see.
So
You just know how to
yes,
get
I just
people.
know how to get
Okay.
people. I know how to talk to my if you don't even if you don't look it that way, you think I have personal, stuff with male customers. You
Okay.
understand? Yes, but I just have good relationship with my customers. That is it.
And that's how you've been doing it.
Yeah.
So aside Abacha, are there other things you're into right now, or
I
it's
make any local dish
you make every?
Yes.
Oh, not only Abacha.
Not only
like what
Abacha.
kind of local dish again?
from ukwa down to soup,
Are you
everything, achicha,
Well.
name it, pepper soup. I'm
Eh?
there.
And you came here
I'm sorry.
looking this beautiful without any.
I'm
Or you did not
sorry.
cook today. What happened?
I did.
You did.
Yes.
Okay.
I sold out before
Daniel.
5.
We need to have a conversation on what we are going to do to her. What have you been to? Okay. The way we are done billing her. Your own.
No, we are parties now. We are
Calm down.
parties.
Your own. Eh?
Yeah, you know, I want in my sister.
I mean,
Okay,
you know,
you guys are
when,
filling up again.
when you're
No
sucking
problem.
when you're sucking someone's pocket, you know that part that gets to that. That's what I'm going to do for you. Okay, I still have Ginika Abacha Best 042, and of course your favorite TikToker and content creator Daniel right here in the studio. We're going to go on a short break. Where we'll come back, we're going to be unveiling the next thing that we've got for you tonight. Stay tuned. Yes, of course, you are still watching Nka here on Afia TV, live on the STV channel 254 and Go TV channel 17. I still have myself Abacha Best 042, the beautiful lady behind that brand. And of course, your favorite TikToker and content creator, Abazu Daniel, here in the studio. Hi, my people.
Hi.
How are we doing?
Fine. Great.
I really love the two of you. Your combination is something else here on Eka. The way you're raising that staff, do you want to
Sorry.
do anything with it?
No, I want to bless you.
Bless me.
Yeah.
You know how to bless me now. Not this thing.
Like
You know what I'm talking about.
yeah.
You're real G, you understand. Okay, so here on Eka, we usually have, little surprise for our guests.
Wow.
Yeah, wow. This is real life, like I said before. This is not TikTok. Okay, so we're going to be, surprising you too. And let's see whether you're going to love the surprises or not.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you want to find out, just be looking at the screen, be looking at the camera.
Okay.
It's going to pop up very soon. Just keep looking. Whatever you see, you take it. Why are you laughing like that? What's happening?
Oh my God.
Wait. What's happening here?
Hey.
How long ago is this?
I think this was 2019 or 2020.
Wow, 2019. You haven't started your business then?
No, after 2020.
2020 coronavirus, yeah, the coronavirus era. Okay. You know how to drive too?
Yes, but I don't own a car. This one too.
You look much younger, like very, very younger here.
Yes.
You were in school?
Yes. Yeah.
Wow. That means you've been a hot
This
chick.
was my final year, 2020.
Which school?
Yes.
This is okay. I see. Okay, let's see if we say happy. Okay. Who goes there? Who is that? We have pink bag and black dress. Okay. Okay, let's have it. Let's have it. Oh, body. So your body part like didn't even start today.
I swear.
You've always been a body, like a hot chick.
Long.
It's been long, right? Not today's game.
Yes.
Oh, I see. They need to make you president of the bodies. Maybe Enugu branch. Okay. So let's see what we've got for our TikToker.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see.
How did you get this?
How did
Jesus.
so now you push, you see before and after. And it's
Yeah,
I love the growth.
Hey, oh God.
do you know the song I want to play right now? Esther was broke, but now
Esther, please. How do you mean?
oh God.
Jesus,
Have we reduced your steez?
I'm a king. Oh my God. 2014 or so. Or 2014.
2014.
2014, 30, yeah. Hey, this boy is balling, you know.
Okay.
See the boy now. See me now. See king. See king. Go on.
Okay.
Hey.
The king is no longer balling.
Jesus. How did you get this picture?
Oh my God. I'm already having a headache.
Hey.
Okay.
King, is this you?
This picture here is actually one of my best pictures.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this one too.
Hey. When I went to the
80.
beach. Yeah, in Lagos.
You lived in the beach?
No, when I went there.
Okay, you
my
went to
brother,
the beach.
yeah.
Okay.
My boy, see my leaves. Pink leaves from right from time.
Which pink leaves?
Right from there.
Modified pink leaves. You said like.
King, I worship you. Nam narekele. Ibo dogu. See the king, you all dogu.
Okay. No.
After this,
You know, every slide like just come sweeping you off your feet. When you think you see it all.
I'm proud of myself.
Okay, what Igbo is that?
Olu.
Olu. Okay, wow.
Hi, Jesus.
Okay, here.
I think it's recent
You know,
one.
you at this point you are moving from becoming, Obi, moving from being Obi to a man.
Let's see. My people are watching. Oh, God.
Thank God your people are watching, especially those girls you've been listening. Yeah, it's true. So, how do you deal with girls? That come to your DM after forming fine boy. Do you have a stable relationship?
It's confidential.
It's confidential. This boy, you put it. You're even wearing white, right? You know that thing they said about men staining your white. All right. So I hope you two enjoyed the surprise.
Yes,
you did,
thank you
right?
so
Whoa.
Coming.
At least with one or two pieces of two latest fish, you know. You're going to do more better.
Okay, all right. We're running short of time. We're running short of time. So we're going to go straight into the game part. And because of want of time, we're only going to be playing one game.
Okay.
And now this game is called the This or That game. Right? I love that all of us are all young and also young at heart. So let's play this game well.
Okay.
So your response have to come in as prompt as possible. If you waste time, if you waste any second, there is something staring at you right now, you're going to gulp it. So if you do not want to gulp it, this is the time for you to sit up and play this game like a king and like a queen that you are.
All right.
Are we ready to go?
Yeah,
Okay.
Let's go.
All right. I'm going to start with you because you're not toro here. Your shakara is too much. All right. So let's get to know some things you like. Best place to live in the East, Enugu or Owerri?
Enugu.
Egusi onubo. Abacha pizza. Sister traditional. Clubbing. All right. Be sipping it, be fast about it. Oh yeah. Oh siso. No time. Okay. You see it, you're a drama king. You. All right, Ginika, let's go. Okay. Best place to live in the East, Enugu, right?
Enugu.
Egusi onubo.
Oh,
Abacha pizza.
Abacha.
Okay, wait. Sister traditional. Clubbing or sleeping.
Eh?
I caught it, don't worry. Just drink. You can't even cheat, it's not possible. Oh my god. I would have loved to play the impression game with you people, but there is no time. Oh, okay, let's just see what we can do with a minute. So who is your favorite performer? Whether an artist, a musician, or a comedian? Flavor.
Yeah.
All right. So in 2, 3, 1 action, act like Flavor for not less than 30 seconds.
Oyolima. Ukumayo Ray. Okokobioku. Baby fire the go.
No, Sandra. Okay.
Why you be say
Oh my god. How did I get such character on the show today? It's enough. Thank you. Thank you very much. So Ginika, do you have any performer out there that you want to mimic?
Yes, I think Mr. Funny.
Okay, Mr. Funny. Yeah. All right, let's have it.
Okay.
Wow.
When he does his face.
Yeah, I get that. Please, a round of applause for you too. Like, man, you two give me a show tonight.
Thank you.
I owe you for this. Thank you very much, Ginika. Thank you very much, Daniel, for coming through. This is the last edition of Nka for the month of June, and I'm super excited that you people ended it on a good note, a great note. Thank you once again for coming through on the show and giving us a great time. Yeah.
My pleasure.
Yes. And this is how we're going to be wrapping it up for the very last edition of Nka for the month of June. Do not forget that tomorrow we are going to be having non-stop fun right here on Afia TV. Tomorrow is going to be Nka Lounge. Nka Lounge comes every last Friday of the month. And guess who we're having tomorrow? Rough Coin. Mwaba. Yeah. So guys, go get your dancing shoes ready. Go prepare, set alarm, get ready, because by 8 o'clock, 8 p.m., it's going to be going down right here on Afia TV for this month's edition of Nka Lounge. Once again, let me specially thank you people, for your time, for making it a great one for us in the month of June here on Nka. I'm really appreciative for your love, your support, always joining me and my spectrum of guests here on the show every night by 8 p.m. I want to say a big thank you, sending out kisses and hugs as well. Yeah, to you all wherever you are. July is going to be starting on Monday. Let's see what July has in store for us. My name still remains Rochelle. Do have yourself a fantabulous good night and watch out for tomorrow. Very important. Good night.